Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the structure of the sperm. As we know that during the process of spermatogenesis, the spermatids undergo formation of spermatozoa. These spermatids are the single haploid cells which forms spermatozoa, and that is haploid structure which is formed by the process known as spermiogenesis. There are a number of the changes which are taking place during this process. As you can see the structure of the sperm, the outer membrane is plasma membrane as it is a cell which got modified. Followed by that, you can see a very large vesicle known as acrosome, which is produced by the Golgi apparatus. The vesicle of the Golgi apparatus combines together to form a acrosome, which contains the hydrolytic enzymes which helps in the entry of the sperm into the ovum. Followed by, we can see there is a very large nucleus which contains the chromosomal material. Now this large nucleus becomes oval shape and contains the chromatin along with the nucleoplasm. These three structures together forms the head region. Just behind the nucleus there is a very minute small depression is there. This minute depression is known as neck region. Now the neck region you can see contains a centriole. This is also called as proximal centriole. Now you can also see there is another centriole which is at the end of the middle piece, that is called as the distal centriole. Now just after the neck you can see a ribbon-like structure is there which is coiled over the two centrioles which are joined together by the spindle fibers. This is known as mitochondria, which provides the energy to the movement of the tail region. So this region containing two centriole and a mitochondria is known as middle piece. Followed by, we have a long tail-like structure which is partially covered with the plasma membrane but end is not covered with the plasma membrane. These spermatozoas are produced in very large number, that is around 200 to 300 million sperms are ejaculated at the time of coitus or release of the sperms from the penis. This is due to the fact that the number of the sperms they get denatured, or you can say are not activated in the body of the female. Secondly, around 5 to 10% of the sperms are not viable. So only few sperms can reach up to the fallopian tube, up to near the ovum to make it fertilize. To bring that thing or to bring fertilization possible, large number of the sperms are released, as you have already seen that the large number of the pollen grains are released because number of them are lost or not viable. Same is the case here. So this function of the male development is maintained by the male hormone that is called androgen hormones.